get you, I don't get you.
Ndubai, ana m ekele unu nnọọ. Aha m bụ Nwada Ugochi, and this is a K Market Day with Ugochi. Thank you for stopping by and clicking this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get notified on my next video. Now let's dive into the topic for today. In the Igbo calendar, there are 4 days that make up 1 week, and 7 weeks make up 1 month. So we have a total of 28 days that make up 1 month. And in the Igbo land, these days are not just far more than makers of time. They carry profound cosmological and spiritual significance, putting together the elements of nature. Everything that happens in the Igbo land is centered around the Igbo calendar, which includes the 4 market days, which are Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. Eke signifies fire, which means new beginnings and destiny. Names commonly associated with Eke, we have Okeke, Nweke, Mbeke. Then we have Orie, which is water, signifies purity, healing. Names commonly associated with Orie, we have Okorie, Nwoye, and Ngboye. Afo, which signifies earth, is linked to agriculture, prosperity, and stability. Names commonly associated with Afo includes Okafo, Nwafo, and Mgbafo. Lastly, we have Nkwo, air, which symbolizes communication, connection, and exchange. Names commonly associated with Nkwo are Okonkwo, Nwankwo, and Mbankwo. Thank you so much for joining me on today's session. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get notified